So if we jump back and think about how that process is currently done when, let's say, you send in a maintenance, for example, a heavy maintenance, and you send out your documents as PDFs, for example, before, then the airplane arrives, they start to do works, they find problems, the airline requests more during the way. That is currently done almost the opposite of how this is. So the current process is basically sending back and forth documents that are not basically aligned in some certain cases. But what we do here is actually we create a bi-directional feed with real-time
actually,
updates.
this happens even if the airline and the MRO have the same M&E system in use. And why? Because of the different business processes they have. So it has been very complicated challenge for the software companies and the airlines and MROs to solve. And now the Aviadex is the answer on this.
Yes, so just to recap here, even if the two parties in this process is using the same M&E system, it still requires this PDFs and mail and back and forth, and it's really tedious work to do. But we solve that.
Exactly.
Exactly.